Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out to old LinkedIn account, forgot password or email. First of all, open the LinkedIn app and tap sign in, forgot password, enter any email or phone number, and then after that, if you don't remember your password, then click on forgot password. Now after that, it will tell you to enter your email or phone, so you can do either one. And then once you've entered your email, it will do an security check and click on I am not a robot and do all the credentials that it is telling you to do. After you've done the verification of I am not a robot, now check your email. LinkedIn will send you a link or a code. If you have not gotten your code, then click on resend code and check again. If you still do not receive it, try checking your spam or junk folder also. Next, once you find the link, go ahead and type it in, and then, or if you do not yet get the link, go ahead and type in your phone number instead, and this will log you into your account. Privacy tip: after recovering, enable two-step verification under settings. And quick fix: if you still cannot access it, try signing in with Apple or Google ID if you linked them before, or or contact LinkedIn support for a valid ID to prove our ownership. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast